Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this system of coins, and you can just randomly use the coin number and it will adjust the raise and everything according to that. So I will show you this from scratch, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, and if you like, just comment below and share this video and start watching this tutorial. So I have this empty folder and this name is coin, and first we need a coin. So I have this Maya open and I will quickly create a coin type mesh. So I'll just take a cylinder and let's smooth it, maybe 32, and then I will scale it down, or you can just reduce the height 0.5, 0.1, and okay, I'll increase the size little bit, and then from the side angle I will deselect these. So I have just top and bottom selected, and I'll just so I have these smooth edges, not very smooth but it's okay. So I have this and I want UV straights because I have a very straight texture. So I'll just apply a planar, not this direction, from Y direction, and we have now this, and I'll just freeze this and export it as coin on desktop. Export selected. Here I will import that from desktop coin. Okay, it has this Lambert material. I'll rename it M coin. Open it and I'll preview this mesh here. For now I'll just apply a basic material. I'll just make this golden, and that's it. We will work it on later. Now I'll make a FX coin.